In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an epic in Jira using the global create menu. If you've ever tried to organize a large feature release or group related user stories inside Jira, you know it can feel confusing when the right controls aren't immediately visible. The good news is that creating an epic is actually very straightforward once you know where to look, and you don't need any special admin access to do it. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site, or sign in through the Atlassian login page using your account. After you're logged in and the main dashboard loads, look to the top of the screen for the global navigation bar. This is where Jira keeps the fastest access to issue creation, no matter which project view you're currently in. Next, find the blue Create button near the top of the page, usually close to the search bar, and click it once. This opens Jira's issue creation window. Think of this as the main form where you'll define exactly what kind of item you want to add and where it should live. Inside that window, start with the project field. Click the drop down and choose the project where this epic belongs. Right below that, locate the issue type field and change it to epic. This step is important because it tells Jira that you're creating a high-level planning item rather than a task, bug, or story. Once that's set, move to the summary field. This is the main title of your epic, so keep it clear, short, and descriptive. A strong summary makes your roadmap easier to scan later, especially when multiple teams are reviewing the backlog. In general, it helps to keep the title specific and easy to recognize at a glance. After that, scroll down to the description field and add the broader details of the initiative. This is where you can explain the business goal, the overall scope, who it impacts, and any important boundaries for the work. If your Jira layout includes an epic name field, fill that in as well. You may also see options for timeline-related details or an assignee field, where you can choose the person responsible for overseeing the epic. Before you finish, take a quick moment to review everything in the form. Make sure the required fields are complete and that the information is accurate. When you're ready, go to the bottom right corner of the window and click the blue Create button. Jira will immediately create the epic and add it to your project, ready for you to link stories and build out the rest of your work. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.